Interactive Intelligence provides the most innovative products and services available today for the contact center, enterprise IP telephony, and enterprise messaging. At Interactive Intelligence, it's what we do. Your legacy voicemail system is outdated, so why upgrade it now and then again in a few years? Messaging Interaction Center from Interactive Intelligence is made for voicemail and voicemail replacement. Yet unlike legacy voicemail, MIC's single unified platform and application suite lets your organization take advantage of enhanced messaging that adds advanced end-user features as well as IVR, fax, and conferencing whenever needed, no multiple systems required. MIC integrates with legacy systems, PBXs, centric solutions, and/or IP PBXs simultaneously if required for a complete SIP-supported voice-over IP solution. Messaging Interaction Center provides options for ease of maintenance and geographical disaster recovery planning. And because MIC's architecture consolidates legacy hardware to deliver voicemail, IVR, audio conferencing, and fax applications, system control comes down to a single browser-based graphical interface for all administration, whether one location or distributed sites. MIC's integration support also reaches beyond that of legacy voicemail and messaging systems. Deploy MIC behind PBXs from Nortel, Avaya, Cisco, and others, and get a fault-tolerant, redundant N+1 architecture that results in 99.999% reliability. Also get scalability already deployed at sites supporting tens of thousands of users. Let's take a closer look at the Messaging Interaction Center solution. At its core, Messaging Interaction Center is a voicemail system to manage voice messages over the phone, just as with traditional voicemail. However, users can also log in to the MIC system using a standard web browser and access voicemail messages from anywhere. In one solution, MIC's wide-ranging functionality lets users spend more time getting work done and less time chasing after messages. From a single interface and with a click of a button, users can quickly reply to a message, forward it, or return the call. The same advanced functionality is also available for viewing fax attachments. For real-time presence management, MIC users can change their availability status in their messaging inbox by simply selecting from the drop-down menu. For enhanced messaging, Messaging Interaction Center incorporates 3 types of condition-based processing rules that drive custom routing for inbound calls and notifications and forwarding for voicemail and fax messages. Creating a new call rule requires only a few easy steps. For example, let's set up a follow me rule to have important phone calls routed to a user wherever the user happens to be. Notice the screen-specific help windows throughout the MIC solution. Each help section provides in-depth, targeted information that instructs users on how to resolve virtually any issue. Let's continue creating the follow me rule. Establishing parameters of the rule requires designating the rule to apply to all callers or to specific callers who can be added through the address book, or type one or more specific numbers in the space provided. Next, we'll indicate under which status the rule should run. Then, determine the date range, time of day, or days of the week. With the Follow Me rule, Messaging Interaction Center automatically routes incoming calls to the designated phone numbers in sequential order or simultaneously. If necessary, users can implement a passcode for security reasons. They can also take advantage of user options that include call screening, caller ID, and text-to-speech. Messaging Interaction Center further outpaces legacy voicemail equipment by consolidating emails, voicemails, and faxes into a universal inbox for the end user. In a single desktop environment, unified messaging users can double-click on any message and activate MIC's respective email, voicemail, or fax viewer. When listening to voicemails, users have the option to transfer the sound to a variety of playback devices. We've seen how users can access all their voice, fax, and email messages via the web and their Outlook inbox. but enterprise users can also access messages from anywhere in the world through a unique speech-enabled telephone user interface. Dialing directly into MIC's Interaction Mobile Office module, voicemail users can check new mail, delete messages, change their availability status, access personal company directories, and much more. Let's listen as a user dials directly into the Interaction Mobile Office application.
Who would you like to call?
Mobile Office for Sarah Ridgway?
Welcome, Sarah Ridgway. Please enter or say your PIN.
1234.
Welcome to the speech-enabled mobile office for Sarah Ridgway. How may I help you?
Check new voicemail messages.
First new voicemail message. Received 1:17 p.m. today from Unified Mailbox.
Sarah, our meeting will be at 10 a.m. Thanks.
Delete this message.
Your message has been deleted. That completes this group of voicemail messages. Would you like to check new or saved emails?
No.
Thank you. Goodbye.
As users delete messages over the telephone, the Mobile Office application updates their inbox instantly. Users can also save and forward voicemail, email, and fax messages, and can even change their availability status, all with this easy-to-use, speech-enabled application. On the IT side, Messaging Interaction Center eases user provisioning and system administration with its pre-integrated open software architecture and web-driven administrative environment, no matter which application software solution your organization implements. For example, MIC's intuitive administration area allows administrators to easily create and edit their auto attendant. Both robust and cost-effective, attendant capabilities let administrators create menus and submenus and designate a new action or series of events to determine a call flow. This example is set to have calls automatically transferred to marketing when a caller presses 3. Messaging Interaction Center users can additionally activate speech recognition directly from this screen. There's no complicated menu to navigate, simply check the speech-enabled box. Messaging Interaction Center offers a comprehensive list of greetings, which can be played based on the status of an unavailable user. Or, users can opt to customize a unique message to fit an unusual situation. Messaging Interaction Center's web-based graphical interface for system administration allows administrators to establish the rights and privileges for users at all organizational levels. Administrators can also manage user privileges at an individual level, such as configuring unified messaging and voicemail limits, or setting preferences for message notifications. Available only from Interactive Intelligence, Messaging Interaction Center offers application-driven flexibility that legacy voicemail and messaging hardware can't. Along with its SIP-architected platform for voice-over IP, MIC is a single wide-ranging solution for voicemail and voicemail replacement, unified messaging, mobile users, and enhanced messaging that adds IVR, conferencing, speech recognition, and more. One system. Multi-dimensional enterprise messaging. At Interactive Intelligence, it's what we do. Contact us for more information on how Messaging Interaction Center's complete SIP architecture can give your organization a straightforward, cost-effective migration path to messaging and voice-over IP.